FabricPool is a NetApp data fabric technology that lets you automatically tier cold data to low-cost object storage, either on or off premises. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach an AWS S3 bucket to an aggregate in ONTAP as an external capacity tier. ONTAP doesn't need a FabricPool license when tiering to StorageGrid, but it does require a FabricPool license when tiering to Amazon S3. A free 10 terabyte capacity FabricPool license comes with the purchase of any new cluster in ONTAP 9.2, but because FabricPool is a new feature in 9.2, existing clusters won't have a license for it. If you don't have a FabricPool license, please contact your sales rep and get one. You'll need to install the license before you can attach S3 as a capacity tier. I've already done that in this example, so in this video we're going to go straight to attaching an external capacity tier to an aggregate. Alright, so here we are in System Manager and we're looking at the Storage Tiers tab. Let's click Actions and attach external capacity tier. And we get a pop-up warning that says we can't attach a capacity tier because we haven't set one up yet. Okay, let's set one up. So we'll click OK, and now we can add an external capacity tier. In ONTAP 9.2 we have two options, AWS S3 and StorageGrid. In this video we're going to use S3. So let's enter the server name. That's S3 Amazon AWS.com. Then we need an access key and a secret access key, and then we'll enter the bucket name where we will store the data. It says container name here, but we're looking for the bucket. SSL is on by default, which is a good thing, so we won't change that as it keeps things secure over the wire. And encryption is enabled, which tells Amazon to encrypt all the data that ONTAP tiers over to them. Let's click Save and attach aggregates, and now we can attach the S3 capacity tier to supported aggregates. The thing to watch out for here is that aggregates must be exclusively SSD, and all their volumes need to be using thin provisioning. If a volume guarantee is set to anything other than none, you won't be able to attach a capacity tier to it. In this example, we're only going to attach one agger, so we'll unclick these, and then we'll click View and Update Tiering Policy for Volumes. That opens up a list of the volumes that are on the aggregate, and we can change the tiering policy if we want. The default policy is snapshot only, but you can see here that I've already set the policy to none on one of these volumes. I don't want to make any changes right now to any of the volume tiering policies, so I'll click Save. ONTAP is now going to work in attaching the S3 bucket to the aggregate as an external capacity tier. And there we have it, success! An external capacity tier has been attached. This video was focused on AWS S3, but the process for attaching StorageGrid is very similar. I'll cover StorageGrid and go into details on the various volume tiering policies in another video. Thanks for watching.